Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a iPhone 10R. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the keyboard sound. So right now I have it on. So anywhere I have a keyboard and you can hear the clicks. Okay. So first thing is to enable it or disable it. What you want to do is go into your settings here, and then from the settings, simply go to Sounds and Haptics. Tap on that, and scroll all the way down to near the bottom, and it says right here keyboard click, so you can toggle it off or toggle it on. Okay, so right now I have it on, so it doesn't matter wherever I go that there's a keyboard, it's going to go ahead and make that clicking sound. However, if I lower the volume down to mute, you can still hear it. If you wanted to mute this sound right away, simply go ahead and press on the mute button. You can press down, and you can see where that orange strip is, so you know it's on mute right now. And now it's on mute. If I want it back, just unmute it. Now I got it back. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.